Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nessa, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today we're getting into another Today I'm giving you guys a product review, a get ready with me, and a get to know me. We're doing a little bit of everything today just because first I feel like you guys don't really know me like that. So let's get to know me while I get ready, okay? And I also have a product review on these magnetic lashes. I'm super excited about this. So happy to tell you guys everything I love about it and everything I hate about it. Alright, y'all. So I know my hair is a little crazy. I'm on day 2 of these really curly curls. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but let's get this foundation on my face so we can get started with our day. My top is from Shein, if anybody's asking, if anybody wants to know. I will tag it down below. I know I'm looking a little crazy. I shouldn't be looking this crazy on camera. Alright, I'm starting off with my skincare. Of course, you know, I wash my face every morning with Fenty's cleanser. Okay? And now I'm just going to go ahead and use her fat water just to kind of help with the pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. I have a lot of, like, if you look really closely at my skin, I have a lot of discoloration in some areas. Like, I had, like, a huge white spot here the other day. It was ridiculous. Like, it comes and goes when it pleases. So, don't forget the neck. Can't forget the neck. Don't forget the neck. So now what I'm going to do is I'm using Fenty Moisturizer. And this one has SPF, so we're good on the sunscreen. Gotta go out in the sun, you know what I mean? And the reason why I love Fenty products is because it really does help keep away the acne. Wow, I look super shiny right now, y'all. Crazy. Normally, I have like a matte sunscreen, which doesn't make my face this shiny, but I don't have it currently at the moment. I gotta go buy some. But I'm using what I have just because, you know, I need to use what I have. So, anyway, I look super shiny, but we're gonna go ahead with these foundation. I'm using Maybelline 332 and 330. My girl actually matched me the other day, so it's so great to like have some type of, you know, coordination in your life. I would either go with 232 or 235. It really depends on the day. I don't know, like I have 3 foundations, so I use whatever my heart desires at the moment, okay? So, but I mix these 2 together and just kind of tap it on like this. There you go. Like, what you think? Does it match? Oh, look at that, girl. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use some Pro Concealer. This is Pure Beige from Ulta, of course. I don't use a lot of like makeup, and this is how I put it on. Don't judge me. Please, don't judge me. Okay, y'all, so I know I've gotten this far and I haven't said shit about myself, so here we go. I'm Guyanese. Okay, shout out to my Guyanese people. I'm currently in school for teaching. I am going for my bachelor's. Hopefully I could go for my master's. We'll see how it goes. I came here when I was 4 years old. I've lived with my parents up until today. And even then I still don't know how it's going, but we'll see how it goes when it gets there. You know, I've had a few relationships, messed up friendships, stuff like that has changed me from being such a nice person to being, you know, very introverted. I went from being very super friendly to not really wanting to talk to people. And even now, I do have a little bit of social anxiety, but I try not to like let it, you know, get the best of me, because at the end of the day, I gotta be who I am, and I can't allow people to stop me. So now I'm going in with some translucent powder. Normally I don't do this on like an everyday basis. I just kind of do it when I feel like I want to, honestly. So, and right now, I don't know. I think these bags are kind of crazy because I didn't go to sleep till like 3 a.m. And that's where like my schedule differs because I have work at 2 in the afternoon and I'm not going to sleep till like 3 a.m. So, I don't know, guys. Like, I'm at this point in my life. I'm going to be 25 in July and I'm just kind of looking for stability. Stability with everything, with a relationship, with housing, with a job, like a decent car. If you guys know my situation, you know that my dad is a mechanic, and it's so crazy because sometimes I feel like he never has a decent car, but bro, we're all trying, and I can't really say anything. So, I am a baker. I am a teacher. The reason why I say I am a teacher is because recently I was a director of a after school program out in Garden City. I personally really loved it and I wish I could like stay, but there was a lot of things happening with my pay and just, I wasn't really feeling it. So I had to give up the opportunity and here we are. I'm trying to do YouTube, make a little, you know, extra cash on the side, anything to give you a little So, I don't know, we'll see. But I also do bake. So, if you guys ever need anything, hit me up on Nessa's Cakes on IG_. You know what I mean? I'll tag it down below. But yeah, like, I'm a baker. I got the cakes and I got the cakes. Okay, so I'm a busybody. I really love working. There's moments that I don't ever feel like it. And probably if I lived in my own house, I would call out of work a little bit more often. But I don't. I don't know. Maybe if I lived by myself, probably. But because I don't, like, I work. I go to work, I make my money, I do what I gotta do. But, anyway, let's get into these eyebrows, y'all. So, I got the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel thingy. It's in the color Caramel. And I got this cute little brush. And honestly, I have to say at this point, 25, life gets a little different. Life gets like a lot different. Like, it's like you start to think about so many different things that can go in so many different directions. And then you just start to question a lot of stuff. And a lot of people start to question you and your ability to like do certain things. So I don't know, man. Wherever life takes me, hopefully it takes me somewhere good. One thing about me though is I've always been a nerd. I love school. I know that's crazy, but the reason why I want to get my master's is because I feel like if you're looking to be a teacher in New York City or just a teacher in general, I feel like you need a master's. And I've always loved school. It's always been a challenge, but my mom always told me that, anybody can take anything away from you, but they can't take away your education. And that has resonated with me so much because I just feel like people really sit here and think that I am so tiny, I'm so little that, they could take advantage of the situation when situations occur, especially with my previous job that I was telling you guys about. I really feel like they thought they could have taken advantage of me, but because I know what is right, they were like, like this girl, she knows. Especially when you get older, the world tries to play you a lot, and you just can't allow it. To be honest, I know I just can't allow it. To be honest, I'm just not that person. You know what I mean? I've also known since I was a little girl that I wanted to open my own bakery. I didn't know I was going to get into baking like that, and I didn't know that it was going to be such a big thing in my life. But surprisingly, it is, and I personally really love it. Like, the passion is just there, and I would love to continue doing it. And yes, I would love to, like, open my own bakery. Just time will tell, honestly. Like, time will tell. Right now, I'm just doing it at home, and whoever needs something, they hit my line, all right? Like, but yeah, other than that, like, it's been really fun to do. I also practice. Sometimes I make cakes for no reason. The other day I made an ice cream cake for no reason, honestly. Like, I made a rainbow ice cream cake and I just made it for the fun of it. Especially like when sometimes I'm dealing with like anxiety or depression or something that I like, because I'm pretty sure we all go through it, but we just need an output or like an outlet. A lot of great work comes from anxiety. Anywho, let's move on to this product review, y'all. Enough about me. I'm doing a product review on the magnetic lashes. I got these from Amazon. I'm definitely going to tag it down in the description box down below, right? And I'm going to show you guys how I put them on. Honestly, I'm very iffy about these lashes just because, like, I already have long lashes as is, and sometimes it's a little hard for them to, like, cooperate, okay? Cooperate. As you can see, I've used some already, but I had to use them in order to, like, let you guys know what the dealio is. So it comes with this tweezer to put the eyelashes on. I do not recommend using it just because the strips are magnetic and then the tweezers are magnetic and they stick together, and it will probably never go onto your eyelash. Honestly, it will never go onto your eye. So you have to take the eyeliner and just shake it up a little bit. And what I'm gonna do, one thing I need to do, because my eyelashes are really long, and if you have this issue, I suggest you do it too, is I have to literally like press my eyelashes down a little bit, like bring them down and just like make them like not in the way. So like I have more than enough room on the top of my eyelid to put these lashes on. We haven't gotten there yet, but one thing I really hate about the eyeliner is that when you're taking it off for the day, the eyeliner is really hard to get out. So I'm going to take these lashes with my fingers, and I'm going to go ahead and take these ones just because I haven't used them yet. So, and then you're just going to go ahead. You have to come from the top and just stick it on. Like, I recommend starting in the middle and then working your way down. Wow, these are really long, sis. Oh, and then sometimes you have to, okay. So this is where my issue is with these lashes, okay? Or with lashes in general. I am not a lash person. And I know I'm not a lash person because you see right here in the corner of my eye, right here, I will tear all the time. It's just bothering the corner of my eye. But yeah, like I really can't stand it, like touching that corner of my eye, because it can be annoying sometimes. Like, I gotta move it over. Hold on. Can't do it right now. I mean, but overall, y'all, the lashes aren't bad. Like, they're actually really cute. I like them. I hate the fact that you can actually, like, see this line right here. But they're not bad at all. It's just, you know, I'm a problematic child. But overall, I recommend that you try it. You won't know if you like it until you try it, honestly. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my hair. I'm going to add some Olaplex Bond Smoother to my hair to help the breakage, help the ends, smooth it out so it's not that frizzy, but not so. And then I'm going to go ahead and style. But with that being said, I just want to say that what is coming next for my channel would be, I'm still doing what's next with Ness, but I'm going to be doing more beauty videos, more product reviews, more self-care, morning routine, nighttime routines, more cakes, definitely. Cakes are definitely coming. But I also would love to do a day in the life of Ness. I mean, we'll see how it goes, but I think that would be a great idea. I am trying to get my life together, so hopefully a lot more DIYs, we'll see what happens. I'm hoping to possibly move out soon. It's been a rough journey, and you know, things don't get any easier as you get older. So we'll see. We'll see. So hopefully we have like a move out with me video. We'll see how it goes. Let's get into this hair. I need to know how I'm styling my hair for today because I don't know. Quite frankly, I was gonna put it in like a cute little ponytail in the back like this. Like that. But not sure. BT Dubs got a new piercing. Also wanted to let you guys know that before I got started, I had a lip gloss on, and it is this cute little honey pot, right? It is from your girl Yana Beauty. Okay, I recently just discovered her. She's a friend of a friend, and yo, her lip gloss, not sticky whatsoever. Really, really love it, and it smells amazing. It really does smell like honey, bro. It smells so good, and she gave me a few other of her lip glosses, and they're the same exact thing. Not sticky, smells super good, and it doesn't honestly taste that bad. But at the same time, like, you know, lip gloss is lip gloss. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna stick with the ponytail idea. I don't like it. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this little part up. God, these curls are just too much for me right now. Okay, I just can't do that. Alright. And I'm gonna do the same thing. This is what the hair look like today. This is what we're going with. Okay? And I don't know why I couldn't think about this a couple of minutes ago. It would have made my life so much easier. But anywho, let's check the degrees. That's outside. 57. Okay, alright. Gotta get a jacket. But before I go, guys, I'm just gonna put some colors on my lip. I'm gonna get like a nice neutral. You know me and the neutral. I love a neutral. I love a neutral lip. Alright, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was bright and beautiful, just like you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.